You want to speak English, this is all your dream. Because English is really important. English is a business language. English is a commercial language. English is important because all around the world, English is spoken. Yeah, you need to speak English. But not everybody who has this dream and it comes true or it realizes. You sometimes see the difficulty, you see the problems of speaking or of learning English. What I imagine or what I discover is what I think is that I have learned English and then 7 years after, now I decide to help you. I oblige myself to help you. And I come to let you speak English better, faster, and in a short way. Because I understand that learning English is up to you. It doesn't depend on English. It depends on you. Believe me. So I am Livingston Joseph and welcome to my YouTube channel, English with JL. And every week I post a video in order to help you because this is all that I have as a dream, help you to speak English better, faster, and in a short way. And I believe it's possible. Well, to speak English or to learn English, as I told before, it depends on you. It doesn't depend on English. No, believe me. So to speak English, you just need to follow the right method and the right strategy. Because speaking or learning the language, any language is what? Just a compilation of words you put in your mind. A compilation of vocabulary, and you use them. You use them in making phrase, and then speak, you let people understand. And then you make phrase according to the rule. The grammar's rule. So now, to make the phrase, you need words. And then to find the words, you need to study. Well, you need to prepare yourself of learning vocabulary. But how to learn vocabulary? What kind of vocabulary, what types of vocabulary you need to learn? But as a beginner, and then you are just learning English, this video is exactly for you. And then you want to learn English too, it's okay for you. You have the dream, you need this video. But you need to share and subscribe and leave a comment. Yeah, it's okay. Leave a comment. Let me know exactly how do you feel and what do you need me to change for you. Because we oblige ourselves to help you in learning better, faster, and in a short way. That's all. Well, I think that you want to learn English. It's okay. This is the dream. But as in life, everything that you are doing or what you want to do, you will need to start from the first step. Because life is just like this. Because such life, So, to learn English, to really speak English as everybody does, you need to start learning from the basic of the language, which is the alphabet, the days of the week, the seasons, to be verb, to have, and so on. It's okay. Basic words, basic phrase to express yourself. So if you ignore them, believe me, English will ignore you. Because the problem is not because English does not want you to speak it, believe me, but it's just because you don't follow or you don't use the right method, which is start by the starting point, the basic way, the basic words, the basic English, the basic form of the language, English. But I realized that you can learn any language. It depends on you. It doesn't depend on the language. Believe me. So what you need to do it, like to focus yourself on learning the language is that, okay, not only focus on the basic, but to learn the language, this asks time. From the first time, do not learn expressions, idioms that many people want to use. Okay, you want to learn first, it's okay then, and you can speak, you can learn, because our decision is that bring you all the solutions of the problem that you might have in learning the language. It's okay then, but you need to first focus yourself on that, okay, the basic form of the language. Try to keep them really. So you might question yourself in saying, what are the basic form that I am talking about? They are the alphabet, the days of the week, the seasons, the to be verb, to have. Try to memorize them, understand them, and then if not, you will have difficulty. You will still have problem of learning. This is why in this channel we post a video of how to learn, English better, faster, and then with the alphabet. So the verbs, you can go and watch them. Follow them in this video, in this channel. Because that we discover you can learn. You can learn. As I have talked, as I have presented in this video, three forms. Three tips is that the basic form that you need to learn, the basic form of the language, the time, and exactly the decision. So the decision is the first thing that you need to speak the language, that you need to take. The decision is that you want to learn English truly. Okay, you will start making the action. Like in learning the language, that's all. Not because you see somebody by influence is speaking. You don't even care about how the person has spoken or has learned the language. You just say that, okay, I want to speak English or I want to learn English. This is the problem that many people have. That the three tips to learn English is that start learning from the basic, from the basic form of the language, and then that create a time for it, and then for the learning time, and then take a decision. So take decision is the first that you need, and then the time, and then you start by the first step. The basic form of the language, the basic way. Well, in that I believe and I hope this video works for you and helps you in order to understand exactly what you need to speak English better, faster, and easier. It's okay then, and then that you need to just subscribe with this YouTube channel in order to find your video every week, because we promise you every week we'll post for you. Every week we'll post for you, and you will find video to get your satisfaction of learning English, and with no problem. And I hope you will just enjoy learning English with this channel, in English with JL. And thanks for watching.